Hello, my Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing wonderful, amazing, safe, wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel, for giving me lots of love. Thank you so much. This is your general reading for the month of March 2021. I hope I help you out in some manner. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope it resonates with you, but if it does not resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and according to your condition and leave the rest. Because this is the general reading, so it is not going to resonate with each of you. So I will try my level best to deliver all the messages which are important for you. So let's start your reading. Let's see what are the messages for the month of March 2021 for the sign of Aquarius. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius all over the world. What are the messages? Friendships. Friendships are coming for you, Aquarius. There are new friendships which are coming for you at work. Here there is work and there is celebrations. So some kind of celebrations is coming for you and there is work here. Let me read it out from the book. Positive changes are coming for you. Okay, practice is needed regarding current setbacks. You have some hard works to do, but you will achieve something shortly that you will never thought was possible. Okay, so maybe there are beautiful things which are coming for you. Conflicts to deal with will make you more stronger. Okay, so beautiful things are coming for you, Aquarius. Hard work will bring extra beautiful things. So yes, new friendships are coming for you and you have to put more hard work, because I know you are working very hard right now. Hard work is going on with you. Some kind of celebrations are coming for you, Aquarius. That's beautiful. So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the messages from the Light Oracle. Please give me the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius. What are the messages? Yes. So just say yes if you are thinking, if you are choosing, if you are thinking about something, the answer is yes. So you need to just say yes. So this is a particular message for someone who requires yes or no. Maybe you are having some kind of thought in your mind. The initiation, rite of passage, crossing the threshold. See, you are working so hard on in your career. You are working so hard, and you are passing the passage through the threshold. That means you are working so hard. You are passing a beautiful journey right now because you are working so hard. So whatever situations you are going through, that are leading towards you, towards the light. Okay, can you see? You are moving towards light. You are moving towards a higher dimensions, the higher version of yourself. So beautiful things. You are just crossing the obstacles. That's the main message which I am getting for you. Okay, bottom of the deck I'm having star seeds. What lights are been going on to you? So you are the star seed, Aquarius. You know what lights you up basically. Okay, so you know better because many of you are the star seeds. I always tell you, many of you are the light workers here. So the message which I got for you from this deck is the great gathering. It's all coming together. Intuitive hits, soul tribes. So nowadays, see, you know that new friendships are coming for you, Aquarius. So yes, you are going to meet new people in your life, and it's your soul tribes. Okay, whatever new people, new connections you are going to meet nowadays, these are all the great gathering of your soul tribes. You all are coming together Then there is keepers of the earth. You are not alone. Ancient ancestors stand beside you. Beautiful message. You are the keepers of the earth. As you know that you are the star seed, the light workers. So you are not alone, Aquarius. You are having ancient ancestors, the blessings of universe, the guides, okay, the angels, all are with you. You are having the blessings of your ancestors with you. You are not alone. You don't have to do things all alone. If you're thinking that I'm alone and I have to do it all alone, no, that's not right. You are not alone at all. You are having the blessings of your ancestors. Beautiful messages. So these are the messages from this deck. Let's see what are the messages. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the messages from the star seeds. Give me the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius. What are the messages? Star family, you are a part of soul's call and support. Okay, see, I told you, bottom of the deck, I'm having golden children. You are having beautiful rare gifts inside of you. You are a part of star seed. You are the star seed. You are the family of star seeds. Okay, the star family here. So you are a part of a team of souls. You just need to call and support if you require any support. And here I can see that yes, you are going to have new friendships in your life, and whatever new people are coming towards you, the new people are entering in your life, they are your soul family. They are the soul tribe. Okay, they are the star family of you. Okay, the new friendships, the new people who are coming in your life, they are the part of your soul tribe. They are the part of your star family. Okay, so let's see what are the messages. How my deck is being. Okay. Okay. Inner earth, you will survive this. New solutions and beginnings. See, whatever you are going through right now in your life, right now you are just crossing the threshold. Can you see, after crossing this obstacle or challenges or whatever you are crossing right now, you will come towards this beautiful, can you see the sea, the area, because here you will survive this. Okay, there are new beginnings, new things which are coming for you. Okay, so you will survive this. New solutions and new beginnings are coming for you, Aquarius. Do not worry at all. You are just crossing the threshold. You are just crossing the I can say the road towards the beautiful journey of this inner earth. Can you see how beautiful it is? So keep going. Do not stop at all. Do keep going. Why I'm saying that? Because doors are opening for you. Portal is here. Doors are opening for you. Rewards and wild card here. Can you see? Beautiful doors are opening for you. Can you see magical doors? The rewards are you are soon going to reap the rewards. Okay, because new portals are opening for you, Aquarius. Beautiful message. Let me see any other message. I got two. Fall into my arms. Surrender, holding the opposite extremes of life. So you just need to surrender whatever is happening in your life, Aquarius. Okay, surrender to the divine, because whatever is happening in your life, it's happening because it's happening for because it's happening for the best. 0909 was the recording reading time. Okay, maybe you are thinking and contemplating a lot that why this thing is happening with me. This is happening because there is a divine plan, and everything is going according to the divine plan. There is baby steps, actions. Follow your intuitions before it makes sense. So you have to follow your intuitions. Can you see this girl is standing at the door of here, and here I'm having the same image in this picture, if you can see. So you just have to follow your intuitions, Aquarius. Follow your intuitions, because beautiful portal, new doors are opening for you. You just need to surrender. Just say yes, I am surrendering. doing the surrender to the divine, to the universe, and the divine will guide you properly. And here new doors are opening for you. Beautiful messages. You just need to follow your intuitions. Take the baby steps towards the new doors which are opening for you, because rewards are coming for you, Aquarius. You have to decide, because the rewards are coming for you. So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you for giving the messages. Let me see what are the messages. Let me adjust my cards. Beautiful doors are coming, opening up for you, Aquarius. Okay, you don't have to do it alone. You are not alone. If you're thinking that you are alone, no, you are not alone at all. You are having the blessings of ancient ancestors with you. Okay, and new people are going to enter in your life, and the new friendships which you are going to receive in your life, they all are the soul tribe of they are the star family of yours, Aquarius. So let's see what are the messages from this deck. Please deliver me the messages. Please give me the messages which I need to deliver. See, I just told you this, that there is a divine plan. Trust that there is a divine plan. Desert passage. Trust there is a divine plan. 1122 was the recording reading time. I told you this, that you have to trust that there is a divine plan here. Okay, you will survive this. There are new solutions. 1133 was the recording reading time. New solutions, new beginnings are coming for you, Aquarius. Trust that there is a divine plan. Whatever is happening in your life, there is a divine plan. Okay, then there is wise leader. You are a beacon for others. Okay, you are having a lot of wisdom inside of you, Aquarius. You can be a wise leader. Okay, you can be a light for others. You can be a beacon for others. You can show up your knowledge to others and guide others towards the light. Beautiful, 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 beautiful messages. Can you see every and bottom of the deck? I'm having answering the call. The time is now. Okay, the time is now. You need to answer the call here, because here can you see both, in both of my decks, can you see the lady, the girl is standing at the door. The door is here, the door is opening up for you. There are beautiful things which are coming for you. You just need to answer the call. Just say yes, so that you can receive the rewards which are coming for you, Aquarius. Trust that there is a divine plan. Whatever is happening in your life, that is happening because of the divine, because divine has the best plan for you. Let me see any other message which I need to deliver to my Aquarius. See, discovering the truth. You stand in the light of truth. Okay, you stand in the light of truth. You are discovering some kind of truth. Okay, and that discovering the truth means that, see, can you see this girl is going in other direction and these two people are going in different direction, because you know the truth that you are having a particular direction where you have to go. Okay, so use your intuitions. That's why here this card is saying that use your intuitions. Okay, take the baby steps, use your intuitions. Can you see how beautiful it is connecting, that you have to take the baby step towards the door which is opening up for you. Use your intuitions, take the baby steps, because beautiful doors are opening up for you, Aquarius. So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's add some messages from the colors. The two colors which I have got for you is lavender and azure. You have to connect to the body, mind and soul, and you have to protect yourself. So protect yourself, Aquarius. Set up healthy boundaries, because you are having beautiful energies inside of you. So protect yourself and connect to the body, mind and soul. So these two messages are here from this deck. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the messages from this deck of Sacred Destiny Oracle deck. What are the messages? Solitude and love. You have to feel solitude in whatever situation is you are there in your life. Feel solitude here, Aquarius. And here I'm having love. Have love for everyone in your life. Okay, so these two messages are there, but let me read it out from the book so that I can more elaborate you. Spend some time alone. In your life, this means to take your own counsel rather than relying on the opinions and dictates of others. Break away from the crowd. Be on your own. These cards also speak of self-resourcefulness, self-reliance. If you are working on a project, trust your instinct and follow your own lead. Your creativity is at your peak. Let it flow. If you are in relationship, that is this empowering. This card suggests that this is the time to step away. Take time to reassess your life. In solitude you will thrive. This card also suggests safe haven, a scared worm for incubation and self transformation. Can you see how this card is being related to this, that you have to stand in the light of truth? Solitude. Okay, I just told you that these two people are pointing finger in this direction, and this girl is going in this opposite direction. Okay, you have the knowledge of beautiful things inside of you. You are the wise leader. You are having lot of wisdom and knowledge inside your soul, Aquarius. Okay, so choose your direction. Be the beacon of the leader. You are the wise leader here. Can you see? You are the wise leader. You can be the light or to others here. And then there is love. So use your intuition. That's why the divine is trying to tell you that you have to use your intuitions. Okay, love is all around you, Aquarius. There is the card meaning is love is coming into your life. You are already more cherished than you can possibly known. Indeed, you are a scared vessel of love to flow through when you stand in the center of it all. All is well, no matter what is happening around you. You know that you are loved and you are lovable. You know that there is nothing that you need to do to deserve love. You are enough just as you are. The creator is love, and in the depth of your soul, you are love. In matters of heart and romance, all is healing and is already healed. In terms of self-love, your confidence and self-esteem are growing as you take time to cherish and care of yourself. I told you, you are loved. Okay, so beautiful things are coming for you, Aquarius. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the messages from the Divine Abundance Oracle deck. No. What are the messages for Aquarius? Receiving is there in the bottom of the deck. You have to open up so that you can receive. That's why here the message is that doors are opening up for you, Aquarius. Beautiful things are coming up for you. You just need to decide whether you want to receive these beautiful gifts in your life or not. Okay, so just allow yourself. Here I'm having allowing. Okay, allow yourself to open up. Okay, there is receive and there is flow. Beautiful things are flowing in your life. You just need to allow so that beautiful things can flow in your life. Beautiful things you can receive. Okay, the beautiful gifts and rewards which are coming for your to you from the divine, you can receive that. Okay, radical acceptance says yes to reality in any given moment, so what's needed can come next. Allow yourself, just say yes so that you can allow the beautiful things which are coming for you. The same message is here. Then there is flow. Allow me, divine, to move with the flow and respond me with calmness and peace. Go with the flow, Aquarius. Okay, just go with the flow because beautiful things are coming for you. I can say that. Okay, so beautiful messages are there from this deck. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Okay, the first message for you is mystery. Explore the unknown. The unexpected awaits you. So explore the unknown. Okay, and see what is beautiful mysteries you are going to solve. That's the message which I'm getting. The unexpected is waiting for you, which you don't even expect that this is going to happen. That is coming for you, Aquarius. Then there is dignity. Hold your head up high and know that unicorns are supporting you, Aquarius. Okay, you are the beacon for others. You are the leader. You are the wise leader. Okay, so you have to move your head up, follow your dignity, keep your dignity here. Then there is Queen of Unicorns. You are blessed with love, compassion and wisdom. Beautiful and very powerful message is here. You are blessed with love, wisdom and the compassion here. So thank you for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's add one message from Crazy Sexy Love Notes. Okay, let's see what are the message. Excuse. These three wants to come out. Okay, you are loved. See, I told you, you are loved, Aquarius. Okay, then there is choose love. You have to choose love. You are loved. And there is it's time to rise. So time has come for you to rise, Aquarius. You have to choose love. Time has come to rise. Beautiful messages. And you are loved. 1222112 was the recording reading time. So beautiful messages from this deck. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's add some messages from the Scared Creator. Let's see what are the messages from this deck. Beautiful messages are there for you, Aquarius. Beautiful things are coming for you. Wonderful rewards are coming for you. You just need to open up so that you can receive. Just say yes so that you can receive. Allow yourself so that you can receive. Okay, whatever beautiful gifts and rewards are coming for you, Aquarius. Okay. Let me get the cards. Let me get the space basically for the cards. Okay, let's see what are the message for the Aquarius. Give me the message. Bottom of the deck I'm having step ahead is all you need. 2233 was the recording reading time. Keep moving in a forward direction, Aquarius. Step ahead is all you need. Okay, cozy up with risk and welcome the divine masculine. Beautiful. The divine masculine is coming up in your life here. You need to welcome the divine masculine here. Can you see? And here, can you see? I'm having 61 and here I'm having 19. And here, cozy up with the risk. That means that you have to take the risk. Be the fool. Okay. Just trust the unknown and move in a forward direction. Step ahead is all what you need. Beautiful message from this deck. Let me see any other message. See, that's why I was thinking that yes, there is some kind of message, more message for you. That's why I was thinking that. Success in transformation. I told you that you are going through with transformation. Now the success is coming for you because you are going to get transformed. And now there is success in transformation. Overrate your intuitions. Follow your intuitions, Aquarius. Follow your intuitions. Because right now you are very intuitive. Then there is creator fire. Follow your passions and do the things which ignite your passions. Okay, work on your creativity. So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. So this was your reading for the month of March 2021. I hope I help you out in some manner, Aquarius. Take whatever is resonating and leave the rest. Okay, sending you lots of love, light and beautiful energy to all my Aquarius, to wherever you are in the world. Take care of yourself and see you soon, Aquarius.